Hi friends. Today we are discussing about in the Python programming module after identifiers. So we are discussing about reserved words. So what is reserved word? A reserved word represents some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. There are approximately 35 or 36 keywords reserved words are there in the Python. So we have to differentiate these reserved words in six different formats. Those are true, false, none in one category, and or not is in another category, if elif else as in another category, while for break continue return in yield, these are in the fourth category, and try except finally raise assert in the fifth category, import from as clause def pos global non-local lambda del with, these are the keywords we are having in the Python programming. So we want to see in the by using the program how to retrieve these keywords. So first we have to import the keyword, import space keyword. After that we have to print this keyword, print. So PyCharm automatically gives our syntax, so that's why which is famous. So print a keyword dot list. So we have to execute by using this run button. So these are the keywords are associated with our uh, Python programming. So we see length of, so approximately we are having 35 keywords. By using len means len is a length. So by we can calculate by using length number of keywords in the Python. So if we remove this length, we displace the total number of keywords available in the Python. So we see here only the reserved words in the Python contain only alphabet symbols. These are contains alphabet symbols, except three reserved words starts with capital letters, that are false, none, and true. These three keywords are start with capital letters. Other starts with the small letters. These are the regarding about the keywords. So we see one by one these keywords where we use in the coming lectures. So and in next lecture we discuss about the data types, which is very important point, which is very important concept. Data types we will discuss very detailed way. Please subscribe, like for more videos. Thank you very much.